Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can generate motivational quotes or any type of quotes using ChatGPT and start your quotes channel or Instagram quotes page easily. You have to go on the ChatGPT. I want Elon Musk quotes, so I will write generate all quotes Elon Musk. Sorry, I written wrong spelling. As you can see, I write it generate all quotes Elon Musk said. So as you can see, he generated me a lot of quotes. By this way, you can paste it on your Instagram template. The template will be in Canva, and you can make these presentation and start YouTube channel. As you can see, this first one is written by Elon Musk. So guys, use this app and take advantage from this app. Thank you.